In front of me is Realme C75 and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for this pop-up to show. When it does, click on it. And to remove your widget right away, hit remove in the pop-up. So when I do that, mine was successfully deleted. If you will ever wanna restore it, you can always do that by holding your display and tapping on widgets between icons and layout. Now scroll to look for Google app, and once you do, select search bar widget below it. This one, hold it, place it wherever you want to, and let go. Then tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!